Hey guys, I want to talk to you about 2 tips on labeling tools in your workshop and why you might want to consider it. You know, imagine a workshop where you could find everything, every tool, every jig, every board, everything you're looking for. Being organized is a way of life for me. It's a way for me to navigate life's chaos. Organization in the workshop, job site, or my job trailer is the same. If you can easily spot what you're looking for, you're saving time. You're saving time for looking for things. This time, it adds up over time, and not to mention, it's way less frustration. One aspect that I've incorporated here in my tool organization world is labeling toolboxes, tool wrenches, but also tools. Let me explain. If you store your tools in boxes, labeling the toolboxes assists you or someone who might be working for you, maybe somebody new to the crew, to quickly assess which tool you're looking for. Go get the router, go get the pin nailer, whatever. The same principle applies to tool wrenches, parts, and fasteners. Organization. I have at least 3 routers. All of them have different wrenches. Labeling those wrenches helps me save time and aggravation. Just with a marker. Labeling can also be done with a black permanent marker, a white paint marker, or real laminated labels. I prefer the latter, but I've used them all. Let's chat about putting labels on tools. What do I mean by that? Why in the world would I want to label a tool if I know what the tool is? So, look, I'm not talking about putting vacuum on my vacuum, writing vacuum on it. I'm referring to noting part numbers for consumable accessories like vacuum bag part numbers, HEPA filter numbers, specialty bulbs, brushes, whatever it is. For example, I write the filter number of my Delta air filter so that I know when I need to replace this ratty, nasty filter, what number it is quickly and easily. I do the same thing with my vacuum. I write the HEPA filter on this for the HEPA filters. Or even if there were specialty vacuum bags, I'll do that for the vacuum bags as well. So look guys, this is just a fast way. It saves you time researching a tool or part number or searching for the manual. You know, speaking of manuals, well, that's the story for a tip for another video. Look for it coming out later this week. Guys, if you enjoyed this video tip, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'm Rob Robillard, and we'll see you at the next workshop tip. Take care.